proceed.
Hey,
Hello, show me again screen.
yeah,
Okay, go on zap section. Okay. Uh, Go on plus create section.
this.
Yes, and new zap and search here in trigger action. Search here Calendly and reconnect again.
Where do I do that?
Account, go on account section here below bottom. No,
Oh,
in yes here. Select your account. Maybe this account has been expired, so you need to reconnect again.
yep,
Okay, you have connected this.
yes.
Okay,
Info
so
at engagement.
okay, so close this there. So back on. Uh,
Should I delete it?
just wait a few seconds. First, no create again. No new zap and no search Mailchimp in trigger section. Mailchimp and reconnect again. Okay, no close this. No refresh this page. Okay, now try to open your Zap.
Oh yeah, that seemed to
Yes,
work.
yes, no, it will be work.
Okay, so I just do this with all of them.
Yes, no, repeat again these all.
Okay, 1 second.
Okay, no problem. I'm here. I have just 5 minutes, then I need to, I will join again my other meeting with my client.
Okay. What about
Oh,
the other project? Can you help us with that?
yes, I have a login access, so you send me instruction. After read your instruction, then I will update you.
Okay, did you understand the task, what we need with adding the other parameters like these?
Like, do you want similar this? Yeah, I can do something, but I am busy with other activities. So due to this reason, so mm, at that moment, I cannot help you another task.
Okay, well text me your free. Okay, when are you next free?
I will be
When are you
free
next available?
tomorrow. Maybe I will be free yet next week.
Okay. All
Yes.
right, well message me when you're free. Thank you so
Okay.
much.
Okay. By the way, at this moment, you can send me just $5 to $10 offer. Say that will help me to positive feedback in your side. Okay. Like you just send me a $10 offer and I will submit a dummy
Well,
one.
let's wait because you project. Do the other project, and once you've done the other project, then we'll do that.
Okay, no problem. I will send you a message when I will be available.
Awesome. Thank you. Bye bye.
Okay, bye bye. Take care.